Lumos at it, Ron, and a secret area will light up. Lumos! Watch out!
Bugs! Does everyone remember how to cast Depulso?
Depulso!
Depulso!
Depulso! Great job, Ron! Oh yeah, that was loads of fun. Depulso! Hello, wicked! A chocolate frog! I'm not so sure about this carriage. What's in those cages?
Definitely not supposed to be in here.
Can't leave scabbers, can we? Come on, follow me.
Well, look who it is. Potty and the Weasel. I should have known this pathetic excuse for a rat had something to do with you.
Draco Malfoy. So they put you in the creature's carriage, did they? Probably the only place you could find a friend.
Actually, I do have a rather interesting friend I'd like to meet. Everyone play nicely now.
Oh no! What's that monstrous looking book?
Actually, I believe it's a copy of the Monster Book of Monsters.
Cast of the pages!
We'll knock them out of the air, Harry! You finish them off!
Rick the Zebra!
Where do you aim for them?
Rick the Zebra! 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 Rick the Zebra!
Rick the Zebra!
Rick the Zebra! Rick the Zebra! Rick the Zebra! Well done! Is it okay to scream now?
Ron, you really do need to work on the accuracy of your spell casting.
A wizard card! I love collecting these! If we search around enough at Hogwarts, we could find all 80 collector's cards.
We can look inside the Folio Universitas after picking up a collector's card. Press the escape key and click on the picture of the card at the top of the screen.
Full booked the Fearful, 1014 to 1097. Famous for being so...
Scabbers! You've given us a lot of trouble, you useless rat!
Come on, let's get back to our compartment before we're missed.
None of us is hiding Sirius Black under our cloaks.
Go!
Harry! Are you alright?
Yeah. What happened? What was that thing?
A Dementor. One of the Dementors of Azkaban. We better head back. We'll be at Hogwarts in a few minutes.
Are you sure you're alright, Harry? Right. I'm fine.